mi gente, today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I'm going to do natural twist outs on my hair. I did post a poll on my Instagram a couple days ago that I wanted to try something different. It's been a while since the last time I actually did it, and I'm actually super excited and I can't wait to share you guys how everything's going to turn out. So obviously the very first thing I have to do is wash my hair. It's been a couple days since last time I washed it. As you can tell, it's very tangled. I'm kind of scared that I'm actually gonna touch it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna wash it, I'm gonna deep condition it, and then I'm gonna get started with the twist outs, so that way my hair is conditioned to moisturize and the twists out come out really good looking and soft like I usually love. Alright guys, so I actually just got out of the shower and I wanted to show you guys how my hair looks like without products, o sea, sin nada de producto, totalmente nada. So I'm gonna show you guys how it looks. As you can tell, it's starting to get frizzy because there's nothing on it, and I've been moving around too, so that's probably one of the reasons why it's kind of started to get frizzy. So I'm gonna go ahead and get everything that I need, get dressed up, and then I'll be back to show you guys how I'm gonna get it. This is the product that I'm gonna be using as a leave-in conditioner, and I actually got this from a Canadian company that she has a really good story that she does share. And she even shows how to use it on her own hair, which is something else that I actually use since I am considering this like a protective style. It's the Scalp Treatment from Tropicgyals. Here's the name of it, so you can get a closer look. There you go. And usually she does recommend, Michelle recommends that this product is used before, like 10-15 minutes before going to shower. But previously, I've used this as a leave-in conditioner before, like for example, the night before, and then wake up the next morning with my hair feeling very, very soft. It was very moisturized, and I think it can be used more than actually a leave-in conditioner or a leave-in treatment. So let's get this started. So like I said, I don't have any products on my hair. So right now it's a little bit more freezing there earlier, and I will show you guys if I can fit my hair. Let's see here. There you go. By the way, I'm looking at the mirror too, so that's why I'm looking up and down. Okay, so the way that I do this is that I tend to use a little bit, because a little bit is usually enough. You don't really need a lot. You just use a little bit like that. And what I'm gonna do, instead of putting it on my hands, I'm just gonna directly put it on my scalp and massage it. So usually I go in the middle, then on the sides like this. And that's it. This thing was not even full, by the way. Okay. And I'm going to gently massage because I want to avoid frizz and tangles. I already went through the hardest part of detangling my hair. So this is how I massage it. Okay. So that's it. Right now I'm gonna be honest. Your hair, it needs to be damp, like completely damp. If you want more volumized, bouncy results, your hair needs to be like completely wet, damp, o sea, empapado, como dicen los dominicanos, tú sabes. So I'm gonna spray hardcore on my hair, I'm gonna section it out, and then I'm going to slowly apply the conditioner to each section until I get the desired amount and the feeling that I want to feel on my hair. So let's get that started. So right now I'm just getting the very bottom part, sectioning it like this. And I do it slowly so I can avoid any breakage, because my hair usually gets tangled very easily. there you go. There you go. And usually it depends on how thick your hair is as well. I have very thin hair, so I tend to use bigger boxes because of it. Because I don't want my hair to look very thin. I'll twist out. Okay, so I'm gonna hold it. Let me see if it feels right again. It's a little bit too much in the middle. Ouch. Okay, so here we go. It feels about right, but I feel like I'm a little off. I'm gonna end up with nothing at the bottom. There you go. That feels about right. If not, I'm away. I can always split it in two. I'm going to tap my hair. Like que literally tiene que estar empapado. Like bien mojado. Okay. So, as you can see, it's very, very damp. Está bien mojado. So I'm gonna portion the section that I want to twist. Obviously, softly and carefully. And I got it together again. Okay, so there you go. That's gonna be easier now. There you go. So that's what I was looking for. So I get this very thin amount of hair. Use very small amount. That's a little too much for just that section, but you can always mix it with the rest of the hair and apply it to the clothes. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna get closer so you guys can see how I twist it from the top. So you'll start right here in half. And then just twist, twist, and twist. It looks very thin right now, but once I let it go, my hair is gonna try to bounce back and it's gonna look really short and fuller. It's just that right now, since I'm pulling my hair down and my hair is very thin, it looks very little. There you go. It feels like forever. Imagine for the rest of the hair. So here I am. This is literally how long my hair is, and I'm still twisting and twisting. Okay, so I got to the ends. I don't like twisting the very ends because then you have to detangle it when you take it up, and I usually like to just give it a little twist like that, making one, so that way the ends can just be free, curl up. And you see it's already starting to, you know, bounce up. So let's go to the next section, and then I'm going to cut until I get to the very top, so that way we can make this video a little shorter. It's starting to feel dry, so I'm just gonna apply a little more water. And again, it is very important that you damp your hair. It helps your hair stay moisturized, and it's easier for you to twist, and you get better results. So I'm at the very end again, So instead of twisting all the way down, I'm just gonna put it together and kind of try to curl it there to where it's just that. So it's easier to take off when it's time to take off. And you see, the very first one I made, it's already getting this very curly shape, which I like. That's the result I wanted. Alright guys, so after a couple hours, we finally finished! It felt like forever, but it was so worth it. So these are all the results of the hard work. My hair looks so little right now. I'm so used to having a lot of volume, and having it like this feels kind of weird. But I'm really happy. Well, I also wanted to let you know that for my birthday weekend, I'm planning to do something really cool with this. So get posted. Pero espérate. Don't forget to subscribe so you can get notifications of when I upload new videos. And go ahead as well. Support me by liking and sharing this video. And we'll see you guys next time. Gracias por mirar. Que tengan un buen día.